EEF are the UK's national body for manufacturing and engineering. We represent businesses right across the UK, helping them deal with the challenges that they'll face today and the challenges of tomorrow.
BSI is the UK's standards organisation, and we work with business and industry to help them improve their performance through industry best practice, which we call standards. We work very closely with manufacturers and industry associations, particularly the EEF, to help their members realise the risks that are associated with cybersecurity and how they can protect themselves and improve their performance.
Cybersecurity might seem like a daunting challenge for UK businesses. However, it's one that we need to be thinking about from the smallest to the largest enterprise. And there are things that you can do at whatever level you are working at.
There are two standards I'd like to highlight which are particularly relevant to manufacturers today. The first is the international standard ISO 27001. It will help manufacturers manage their risks, understand what the issues are in cybersecurity in their company and how they can mitigate those. But also it's important to have a culture of cybersecurity in your organisation. And we have another standard for that, which is called PAS 1085. And that's all about giving guidance to manufacturers to try and improve the culture to be cybersecurity aware as they go about their business and try and improve their performance for the future.
Good cybersecurity is increasingly necessary for businesses working both in the UK and internationally. EEF recently produced a report on cybersecurity for manufacturing because that's what our members told us was concerning them. We wanted to do this because we wanted to really understand the challenges that are facing UK businesses from the biggest to the smallest.
The EEF report is really interesting because it shows that we're all going to be affected. Already so many manufacturers have experienced cybersecurity incidents, and the findings that the EEF have come out are helping to stimulate manufacturers to take cybersecurity more seriously, to use industry best practice, to take up and adopt those standards in their own businesses, something that they can show not only to their customers but also to their suppliers, so they can be part of a global supply chain that is cybersecurity compliant.
Industry faces enormous opportunity and challenge surrounding the fourth industrial revolution and digitisation. The fourth industrial revolution is going to be a huge sea change for UK manufacturing, and we want UK manufacturing to be at the forefront of the world's business and technology development.
The global economy is becoming increasingly digital, and manufacturers everywhere have to understand the risks that they're taking in the new world that we're entering into. But the opportunities are vast to operate not only within the UK, but to operate internationally. And if you are cybersecurity aware and you have those processes and standards in place, you are much more likely to be successful in the future.